Hi, this is Dr. A.K. Srivastava. In this video lecture, I am going to derive differential form of Gauss law. Suppose a charge is distributed over a volume and rho is the volume charge density. This is the volume, suppose, and charge is distributed over this volume, and rho is the charge density, volume charge density. Total charge enclosed by this surface S is given by Q is equal to volume integration rho dV. Let's suppose this is equation number 1. Now according to Gauss law, flux coming out from a closed surface, that is E dot ds, is equal to charge enclosed by the surface divided by epsilon naught. What is epsilon naught? Epsilon naught is the permittivity of the free space. Let's suppose this is equation number 2. What is this E dot ds? E dot ds is flux, electrical flux, that is phi E. Surface integration E dot ds. Now substitute the value of Q from equation 1. We have surface integration E dot ds is equal to 1 by epsilon naught volume integration rho dV. Just multiply this epsilon naught this side, you will have surface integration epsilon naught E dot ds is equal to volume integration rho dV. Now you can write this equation like this: surface integration d dot ds is equal to volume integration rho dV, because this d is equal to epsilon naught into E. What is d? D is the electric displacement vector. Okay. Now this side we have what? Surface integration, and this side we have volume integration. Now to compare both sides, we have to convert this surface integration to volume integration. What we will do? We will use here Gauss divergence theorem. Gauss divergence theorem. What is Gauss divergence theorem? Means we can convert surface integration to volume integration like this, A dot ds, by using this relation, volume integration divergence A dV. Okay, so what will be this side now? If you convert this in volume integration, you will have volume integration. You have to write here divergence. So divergence d dV is equal to volume integration rho dV. Now for an arbitrary volume, we have, you can write this relation like this: divergence D is equal to rho, or simply you can write del dot D is equal to rho. This equation is known as differential form of Gauss law. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe my videos. Please click on bell icon to get latest update.